Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved reels on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let me quickly show you how a reel gets saved. When you're watching a reel, simply tap the bookmark icon below the reel. Now let's see where that saved reel is located. Go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This will open the Settings and Activity page. Here you'll see an option called Saved. Tap on Saved. Next, tap on All Posts, which shows everything you've saved on Instagram. At the top of the screen, you'll see different icons. Tap the Reels icon. This will filter your saved content and show only the reels you've saved. And that's it. That's how you can quickly find your saved reels on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.